Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Katherine Useh. I make videos about beauty, lifestyle, fashion, and very soon travel, and I drop like vlogs of the little bits and bits of things happening in my life. If one or any of all these things are something that you're interested in, then definitely keep on watching. Today's video, I'm going to be talking about the Beautyline by Didi eyebrow pencil. Now, if you want to see how I achieved these brows using this pencil, if you want to see what I think about this eyebrow pencil, if it's a good buy, then definitely keep on watching. If you're looking for like a eyebrow pencil that like a more refined Davis pencil, then this pencil is it. I've heard a lot of good reviews about it and I'd like to try it out with you guys. So this is what the pencil looks like. I like the packaging, it's really cute. I really like it. Yeah, so I like the packaging, but let's put the pencil to test. And I like that it has this pulley by the other side of the pencil. There's a pulley by the side, which is really great. I already have foundation on. I always like to apply foundation on my brows when doing my eyebrow. And today I already have foundation on. I say it's foundations on. So okay guys, I really like this pencil. I like that it doesn't have a lot of color payoff, because me, I don't really like very dark brows. When I'm doing my eyebrows, I don't like it very dark. So I like the way this pencil looks on me. So right now I'm just creating hair-like strokes. That's what I'm doing now. Creating hair-like strokes. And I'm going to brush it up. So now let's do that to the other one.
Settling in, settling down. Falling in love, not falling out. I keep on falling in. Each of us both done in the crown. A crown, a crown, a crown. A king and a queen, royally bound. Yeah. Both called it from the
Guys, do you like the way my brows is looking? I love it. I love this eyebrow pencil. Nigerian brands are killing it, by the way. Love it. So next thing, I'm going to be highlighting my brows with my Zaron Cosmetics Second Skin Concealer in the shade Caramel. Guys, please don't laugh at my brush. It's dead. Deadass.
beginning. Called it. I knew that the right to be nice. Knew that the right to be nice.
This concealer is just a shade lighter. The next time I need to buy the concealer, I'm going to go a shade lighter than this one, which is like 2 shades lighter than me.
Do what we gotta do to stay winning, winning. Fussing on fights, we'll keep and trust. And you make me wanna say, I love you better today than yesterday. Every day is gonna play out the same, the same, the same, the same. Ay. I love you better today than yesterday. Every day is gonna play out the same. It's gonna play out the same. Growing as one, not growing apart. Apart. Say what we mean, say it from the heart. From the heart. Wrinkles and grays, don't be alarmed. story so far, so far. Both called it from the beginning. We called it. We knew that there had to be an us. Knew that there had to be an us. What we gotta do to stay winning, winning. Fights and our fights will keep trust. And you make me wanna say, I love you better today than yesterday. And every day is gonna play out the same. It's gonna play out the same. I love you better today than yesterday. And every day.
So guys, this is what my brows look like. I love it. I love this brow pencil. I love it. Unlike the retractable one, which I actually wanted to even get the retractable one, but I was sent this instead because the lady I got it from on Instagram, she thought I meant this one, and not bad because this one you can always sharpen, but there's something I've noticed about those retractable pencils. They break, and sometimes when they break it's so painful because when I remember the amount that I bought them and it just breaks like that, it breaks my heart. But this is a more defined or refined David's pencil. I really like it. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you liked it, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe what you liked about the brow pencil, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Settle